Keanu Reeves, an icon on and off the screen, also boasts an impressive motorcycle collection, and it's nothing short of remarkable. Imagine a man who moves from cinema sets to his vintage rides worth millions, encompassing a blend of style and adrenaline. His motorcycle collection includes rare classics like the Norton Commando and the Ducati 998 Matrix Reloaded Edition, treasured in pristine condition. These aren't just rides, they embody his passion and personal history. Reeves even co-founded Arch Motorcycle Company, merging innovation and elegance into every design. Want to feel the wind on your face like Keanu? Comment, like, and subscribe for more exclusive peeks into celebrity secrets.